Well, she can't do this.
Well, she's learning.
Well, then you think it's funny because you're dominating her?
I think it's funny.
Okay, so our run in place.
As soon as you hit the green, jump as high as you can.
Okay.
Got chariots of fire.
Look at Ace.
How come you won't record? I jumped 13 something earlier.
Okay, so I start running.
Jump. So he's like, that's fine. I got her next jump.
Did she pick